Hello everyone, it is the Who Dat teacher, Linda Sims, and I am back to teach you another line dance. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, I'll post it at the end of this video. So guys, the name of this video dance is called Musta. It is a one-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so the first part we're going to do on the right, and we're going to do it on the left. So we're going to start with a V step, a double tap out on the right and the left, kick right and tap left. Let me show you, and I'm come back to get you. So it's a V step, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, kick 7, tap 8. Again, V step on the right, 1 and 2 and, double right, double left, 3 and 4 and left, 5 and 6, kick forward, 7, tap 8. Again, V step, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, double 3 and 4, left 5 and 6, kick 7, tap 8. We're going to repeat the same thing on the left. We're going to change it up just a little bit, transition, a kick and cross instead of a kick and tap. V step, 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, right 5 and 6, kick 7, cross 8. That's our transition step. We're going to move, do a travel step to the left. Again, on the left, V step, 1 and 2, double 3 and 4, right 5 and 6, kick 7, cross 8. Let's put both of them together. So we're pretty much doing the same thing on the right and the left. On the left, we're just using a transition step, a kick and cross to go into the next part. All right? 5, 6, 7, V step right. 1 and 2, right 3 and 4, left 5 and 6, kick 7, tap 8. V step left, 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, right 5 and 6, kick 7, cross 8. We're going to do a travel step. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we kick and cross. We're going to step, behind step, cross, out, and out. So, kick and cross, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we tapping out 3 times. So we do that travel step, 1 step, behind, side, step, out left, in, out right, in, out left. And then that's the 8 count. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, so we went with that kick and cross step. 1, 2, and 3, out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do our travel step. We're going to cross to the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, travel to the front, side, behind. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, to the front. When we went this way, we step behind. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to cross to the front. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go cross, side, behind, side, step, out right, out left. So let's put those two together, kick and cross. So travel to the left and travel to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we travel, step into the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So part 1 was the V step, part 2 was the travel step. Let's put it together with the V step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, double, 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6, kick, 7, tap, 8, left, 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, and it's 7, cross 8, it's 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, if you notice, the count is just a little different, and the tempo is a little different going from the left to the right, okay? Now, let's move. So we went, kind of stayed in place with the V-step. We moved to the left, and we traveled to the right. Now it's time to do a little footwork. So we're going to swirl on the right. Swirl, knee, push back, and knee. Swirl, left, push back, and knee. Swirl, lift, cross, step, step, cross, step, step. That's where we go. So, swirl. 1, 2, push 3, lift 4, 5, knee, push 7, lift 8, swirl. 2, cross 3, 4, step 5, cross 6, step 7, and 8. So with the swirl knee, we move it forward. 1, 2, 3, lift 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, cross 3, step 4, step 5, cross 6, back 7, step 8. So that step is moving you back. So I'm just swirling with the knee, step, and push back. Then I swirl on the left, lift that knee, and I push back on the right. Then I swirl, lift, I don't push back, I cross. Cross, step, step, cross, step, step. I'm going to repeat that twice. Okay, so let's put that together, doing it twice. 5, 6, 7, swirl knee. 1, 2, push 3, lift 4, 5, 6, 7, lift 8. 1, 2, cross 3, back 4, step 5, cross 6, back 7, 8, swirl 1, 2, 3, 4, lift 5, 6, push 7, 8. 1, 2, cross 3, back 4, step 5, cross 6, 7, 8. All right, so we move forward with that. So we did like the B step in place, then we did our travel step to the left and to the right, then we move forward. So let's put that together. 5, 6. So all these steps is not a step you don't know, okay? And if you don't know it, it's not like you can't learn it, okay? I like this dance because you're doing a variety of steps. And as you do these steps, students, that means you can do a variety of dances. When you're limited to doing certain steps and that's it, at a certain tempo, and that's it, that's all you can do, okay? But a dance like this, when you're mixing up different tempos and steps, you can do a variety of dances. That's what I'm going to say. All right, we're going to start with the B step. We're going to do the travel step, and then we're going to do the swirl with the knee up. 5, 6, 7, B step. 1 and 2, right, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. Left, 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, 7 cross 8. It's 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swirl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So we're going to do 4 step drag triples. Moving up. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Simple enough. So you can see me, I'm way up here. Now I need to move back. I'm going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And that brought me back. All right, so let's add that. 5, 6, 7. Take it up. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, I added on. So I just did a step drag triple to the right and to the left. So I moved up a 4. That step drag triple, I did 4. Then I came back. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. And then I tied it up, going to the right, right, left, triple step with that same step drag triple. That's right. That's right. Now, let me add the rest of it. It's real simple. I'm going up again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the dance. Tap 8. You start over. What did I do? I just step and hip. Step and hip 4 times. Then roll back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Started over with the V step. Okay? So I did the step drag triple 4 times, brought it back, right, left, double right, left, right, double left. And right, left, right, move it up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Okay? Then you start the rotation over again. Okay? You're going to get 2 full rotations. Then it's going to start again. When you start it again, you're not going to finish it. You're not going to finish the dance. But what you're going to do is, when you go do the swirl, lift, you're going to do that 3 times. And that's going to end the song. Okay? 3 times. So do 2 full rotations, just like I taught you. I'm going to do the review. We're going to walk through the whole thing. Then we're going to start it again. That swirl with the knee, we do it twice. That third rotation, we're going to do it 3 times, and the song is going to end. Okay? When you watch the demo, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go from the top. Let's do a review. We do that B step on the right, we do on the left, we do that transition step with a kick and cross, then we do that travel. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do that swirl. We're gonna do that two times. Then we're gonna step drag up. Then we're coming back. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Then we step drag to the right. Step drag to the left. And then we're gonna take it up with the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. And start it over with that B step. I tap, my heel is up. All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, B step. 1 and 2, right, 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6, 6, 7, tap 8, left, 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Travel 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Swirl is 1, 2, push 3, 4, 5, 6, push 7, 8, 1, 2, cross 3 and 4, back 5 and 6 and 7, 8, swirl 1, 2, push 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step drag is 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8, right 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8, right 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and do it again. Musta heard. This is a fun dance. It's Uncle Charlie Wilson. You can't go wrong. All right? So just take your time and put the steps together and have fun with it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.